Your thumb out.
Guys, there's Cristiano's over here.
Yeah.
Bill! All right, Mason, go for it.
He's right there.
Can we steer him back?
Where did he go?
Hold it out so I can reach. Oh, he's sitting really weird right now.
Where's he?
Definitely stuck right there.
Oh, shit.
We need to move this door
He's
quick.
stuck. He's stuck.
I got him.
All right, yeah. You gotta help him.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You're okay, bud.
Right.
I was gonna move it.
Right.
He has really sharp claws.
No.
Really? Wait, let me see the claws real
If
quick.
we set him in the
Oh, yeah, look at that.
guys, if we set him in the open, we can see what's wrong with him.
Let's just set him on the concrete, see if he can like walk by himself. Yeah, he's fine.
Oh.
He was just stuck.
What is he?
He
Maybe.
can fly, so that's good. I think he was just stuck in there.
Yeah, he's probably been stuck in there for a couple days.
No.
Crickets, we can maybe catch him a cricket.
No.
No.
He's pretty used to it.
Yeah.
Whoa, what?
What?
That was weird.
Yeah, I
No.
don't know. That was weird when he almost tipped over.
Yeah. You don't need to keep catching him bugs.
What is that?
It's a bird.
Fall out of your hand.
I
What
want
kind
that.
of bird?
Brown thrasher.
Why isn't flying away?
He's injured.
Is he scared of you?
No.
Not at all.
Does he bite?
No.
He
They don't
hasn't
have
bit
teeth.
yet.
Don't
that.
put it in front of his.
Dude.
I'm setting him up. He doesn't look.
Ah!
See?
Why'd you let him go?
Really weird.
Maybe we should put him over by Grandpa's house, like behind the house.
Yeah, that's a good
There's
idea.
grass.
Oh no. Might be a challenge to catch him.
Oh, what's his name?
Bobby.
Bobby.
He's fine, Ryan.
Took
All right.
over.
Give him some
I
room.
think he's good.
Yeah.
All right, bye, Bobby.
Jackson, then you can check it tomorrow, maybe.
Probably won't be there tomorrow.